Floral hoops are a unique alternative to bridal bouquets, and they're really trendy right now because they're super easy to make. I'm starting off with a 10-inch brass floral hoop, 26 gauge wire, and floral shears, and I'm going to start off by adding greens. This is called Italian ruscus, and what I'm going to do is kind of wrap it around asymmetrically on one side, holding it in place. I'm just using my floral shears to snip away the remaining part there that I don't need. And then I'm going to start by securing it down at the bottom here with my floral wire. And I'm just wrapping it around once like this, and then taking the two ends, pulling them taut and giving them a twist. And rosemary will bring in some fragrance to the hoop. And again, I'm just going to line it up, kind of starting at the center of the bottom and bringing it maybe 3/4 of the way around. Again, just twisting it around. And I'm going to bring it right back up to that other piece of wire that I left long and do it again here. Again, see if you lift up the leaves of the rosemary, you can kind of hide the wire. So this is a good starting point, and I'm going to add the florals in now. So I picked this status, which is great for filling in over some of the greenery. And you want to bunch them together in little bundles, kind of like that. And we're going to layer those with some spray roses, which are smaller roses. And what I'm going to do is kind of just layer them together. I'm going to add in some of these pink spray roses to mix up the color a little bit. See, it's already coming together. So to clean up the end, I'm going to add a little bit more greenery to kind of finish it off. Now I'm just going to kind of zhuzh the flowers a little bit, find my wire ends and snip them off. Okay. To finish this off, I'm going to use a nice piece of silk ribbon. I have a yard here, and I have it folded in half. I'm going to take the loop end and lay it under the hoop, and then just take the tail ends and pull them through. And this is also going to kind of cover that the bottom of the green. Now you have a beautiful floral hoop for your bridesmaids, and it can also be great wall decor. Leave all your comments below, and thank you so much for watching Personalized.